Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munakar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 7 mathematics subject. Okay, so we are continuing our fraction portion. Okay, fraction portion I have completed. So today I am going to start your decimal. Okay, so in class 7 decimal portion, you need to know the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fraction and decimal. Okay, so here our main topic is to learn addition, multiplication, division, okay, of decimal numbers. Okay, suppose if I write here 5.38, okay, how to read it? It is your 5.38, as you have already learned, okay, in your lower classes, that after this decimal, okay, you have to read one digit. Okay, like here 5.38. Some of the students they read like that 5.38. It is wrong. Okay, you have to read it as 5.38. Okay, suppose one more example you will see. 432.325. Okay, so how to read it? 432.325. Okay, what is the place value? Can you tell me the place value of 2? This is your ones. Okay, unit place or ones place. Similarly, your 3 is your tens place. Okay, and 4 is in hundred place. 100 place. Okay, that means there are 400, 3 tens and 2 ones. So it becomes a 432. So can you tell me the place value of this 3? This is your 10th place. Okay, 1 upon 10th place. Okay, we call it as 10th place. Okay, similarly this is your 1 upon 100. Okay, 100 place, 1 upon 100 place, this we call as 100 place. Similarly your 5 is your 1 upon 1000. Okay, that is your thousandth place. Okay, so you cannot read it as 325. If someone read it 432.325, it is wrong. In what way you have to read it? 432.325. Okay, after your decimal you have to read one digit. Okay, so I hope it is clear for you. Okay, so now let's see the addition of decimal numbers. Okay, now addition of decimal number is, suppose you add 532.648 plus, okay, 221.306. so how to add this number? Okay, so I'll show you by vertical way. Okay, to make you understand, first you write the first one, 532.648. okay, so after that your second is, you see the decimal first, where is it? Put the decimal in just below the decimal, there you have to give the decimal. After that, now from what is the next number? 1 2 2. Okay, in this way you have to write. Okay, from right to left you write. Okay, and here in the decimal place what you have to do? You have to write 306 and do addition as you do. Just in what way you do the addition, in similar manner you do the addition. Okay, so 8 plus 6, that is a 14, carry 1, 4 plus 1 5. Okay, 6 plus 3 is your 9. In place of decimal you put the decimal. Okay, so 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7. Okay, so your answer is 553.954. okay, just similar addition you have to do, but you have to consider the decimal at its own place. Okay, so let's see one more example here. Okay, suppose the question is here 678.7326 plus 2 22.328. Okay, so we have to add it. So what we have to do, same process, 678.7326. We have to write it at first. Okay, after that, see the decimal, put the decimal here. So there is a 2. What thing you have to follow here is the number which is in one place and here which is in one's place, they must be just okay together. Similarly, tens place, okay, they according to their place value you have to place the number. Okay, so here you have 3, 2, 8. Here is nothing, so what you should write at the last, you can take as 0 because here is the decimal. Okay, you can write any numbers of zeros here. Okay, so now let's add it. Okay, 6 plus 0 is your 6, 2 plus 8 10, 0 carry 1. Okay, here you got 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 3 10, so 0 carry 1. In place of decimal you keep the decimal there. Okay, so 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, carry 1. Okay, so now here 2 plus 7 9 plus 1 10, 0 carry 1, 6 plus 1, that is your 7. So your answer is 701.0606. Okay, so I hope you have understood this addition. I think you can easily do now. Any number, okay, either there is 2 numbers or 3 numbers or 4, any number you have to just do in the similar manner. Okay, so now let's see the subtraction. Okay, so here if it is a subtraction, what you need to do? Okay, in place of addition, if I write here subtraction. Subtraction is also just similar to your how you used to do this subtraction of your whole number. Same way you have to do for a decimal number also. Okay, so here 678.7326. Place it as it is. Okay, 22328. Okay, let's do subtraction. Here it is a 0. Okay, so 6 minus 0 is your 6. From 2 8 cannot be subtracted, so it will ask a borrow from 3. Okay, so this 3 will give 1 to here, so it will become your 12 and here it will be your 2. Okay, as used to do the subtraction. Okay, but 12 minus 8 is your 4. Okay, 2 minus 2 is your 0. 7 minus 3 is your 4. In place of decimal you keep the decimal. This is the only thing you have to remember. Okay, 8 minus 2 is your 6. 7 minus 2 is your 5 and 6 as it is 656.4046. This is your answer. Okay, let's see one more subtraction so that it will be more clear for you. $450.28, you have to subtract 320.462. Okay, so in what way you have to do it? Same way again, 450.28. Okay, 450.28. now place according to their place value 0 2 3. Okay, 4 6 2. So now let's start the subtraction. So in just above it there is no digit, so what you can write? What do you think? What you can write? Yes, 0. Yes. Okay, so now from 0 you cannot subtract 2, so it will ask borrow from 8, so 8 will give here 1, so it will become 10 and here it will become 7. Okay, so 10 minus 2 is your 8. 7 minus 6 is your 1. Okay, so from 2 again 4 cannot be subtracted, so it will ask. Okay, so it will ask, but here it is a 0. 0 cannot give here 1, so it will ask from 5. Okay, so 5 will first give here 1, so it becomes here 10. Okay, and 10 will give here 1, so it becomes here 9 and here 12. Okay, it will first 2 will ask borrow from 0, so 0 don't have, so what the 0 do? 0 will ask from 5, so 5 will give here 1, so 1 0 it becomes 10. Okay, so 9 here after giving here 1 2, this 10 will give here 1, so 1 2 becomes 12. Okay, so 12 minus 4 is here 8. Okay, 9 minus 0 is here 9. 4 minus 2 is your 2 and 4 minus 3 is your 1. Okay, sometimes some student become confused. Okay, likewise, suppose I am giving you one example. 43 minus 24. Okay, one example you please see. Can you tell me what is the place value of this 3? Yes, it is in your ones place, and this is your 4 is in tens place. This 4 is in ones place and this 2 is in tens place. Yes, so from 3 4 cannot be subtracted. Here I am giving such example. Okay, from there the 4 cannot be subtracted here also. So this 4 will ask, actually it is in tens place number and this is in unit place number. Okay, so unit place digit will ask borrow from tens place digit. युनिट प्लेस को डिजिट ले बोरो मागिरहेछ टेन्स प्लेस को डिजिट सँग। त यसले यहाँ 1 दिनु भनेको चारवटा 10 छ, चारवटा 10 मध्ये आउट अफ 4 10s it will give 1 10 to 3. So it has 3 already. 1 10 if it got means how much it becomes 13. Okay, it becomes 13. Some student may some confusion is there within the student. Okay, so they think here it is 3 and 1 it get from 4, then it must be 4. Okay, it is not like that. You have to see their place value. Okay, it is in the unit place, it is 3, so it is asking borrow from 4, but 4 is in tens place. So if it gives here ones means tens place number is giving 1 means it is giving 1 10. Okay, 1 10 to the 3, so 10 plus 3 is become 13. Is it clear? So it becomes here 13 minus 4, that is a 9. It has given here 1 tens has been given, so 3 minus 2 is your 1. Okay, so please be clear here. So I think subtraction you can easily do. Okay, now let's see the multiplication. So while multiplying, let me take the question. Okay, 32.456 multiplied by 3.24. Okay, so what we have to do here, 32.456, okay, and 3.24 we have to multiply. So in what way we have to multiply? First thing that there is no decimal. Okay, there is no decimal. In what way you multiply? Just simply multiply. 4 6 are 24, 4 carry 2. Okay, 4 5 are 20 plus 2 22, 4 4 are 16 plus 2 18, 8 carry 1, 4 2 are 8 plus 1 9. Okay, 4 3 are 12. Multiplication of 4 completes. Okay, so after that, before multiplying with 2, what we do, we leave here one place. Okay, now let's multiply with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 carry 1, 2 5 are 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry 1. Okay, 2 4 are 8 plus 1 9, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. Okay, by 2 we have multiplied. Okay, erase it. So to multiply with 3 you have to leave the 2 places here. Okay, so now 3 6 are 18, 8 carry 1, so here 18, 8 is written here, 1 is sent carry there. Okay, tens place number is sent carry. Okay, so now 3 5 are 15 plus 1 16, 6 carry 1, 3 4 are 12 plus 1 13, 3 carry 1, 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7, and 3 3 are 9. Okay, so now at last what we have to do, we have to just add it. So now let's add it. 4, these are zeros. Okay, 4 we got. Okay, 2 plus 2 4. Okay, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 is your 77 carry 1. Okay, this is your 10, 1 plus 9 10 plus 9 19 plus 6 25, 5 carry 2. Okay, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 3 11 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 7 15. Okay, 5 carry 1, and 1 plus 9 is your 10. We have just multiplied. Okay, it as we have heard there is no decimal. So now after multiplying it, you have to put here decimal, but where? Okay, so just what you need to do is you need to count here. Okay, after this decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. In the first number there are 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, after decimal there are 3 digits, and here after decimal there are 1, 2, 2 digits. So altogether how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So altogether there are 5 digits. So count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put the decimal here. Your answer is 105.15744. Okay, so this is your answer. I hope it is clear for you. Okay, just multiply. How you multiply? Similar manner you multiply. At last, while putting the decimal, you just count there. How many digits are there after the decimal? Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5 numbers, you put the decimal. Okay, you got the answer. Okay, so I hope multiplication is also clear. So I am giving you some of the question. Okay, please you all practice, that you can easily do. Okay, from your exercise I am giving the questions. Please you all try. So your question number 1 is simplification is the question. Okay, simplify 11.52 plus 42.183 plus 5.25. Add that 3 numbers. Okay, similarly 573.5 minus 509.307. Okay, this is a decimal. Okay, number 3. Okay, 42.368 plus 72.304 minus 24.98. Okay, please do it. Similarly, your last question, 467.321 multiplied by 8.63. Let me give one more question, okay, for your more practice. 38.365 multiplied with 7.986. Okay, so please you all try this question. I hope you can easily do. Okay, about the division we'll do in our next class. So thank you for today's class. Thank you everyone. Please stay home. Be safe.